Editorial paragraph published in Da News. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mianchanu. Stenographers Academy, Mianchanu. Ready? Start. A National Assembly panel rightly postponed the clearance of the proposed China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Authority Amendment Bill, 2020, for discussion and voting by the lower house till the government satisfies its members on the authority's legal status months after the lapse of the ordinance that created it. Full stop. The panel wanted the planning officials to explain the legal basis for the authority to continue to exist and for its chairman to keep his job after the ordinance expiry in May. Full stop. The officials could not come up with any plausible explanation for the existence of the authority or the expense incurred on running it without any law to protect its operations. Full stop. Among other things, the bill seeks to indemnify the actions of the authority since the expiry of the ordinance that had been promulgated a year ago and later extended in January. Full stop. The officials said that the authority did not have a chairman at the moment. Full stop. But the panel could not be convinced when informed that the incumbent chairman of the technically defunct authority was just coordinating without drawing any salary or perks since the expiry of the ordinance. Full stop. Some members demanded that the planning ministry issue a written clarification on that there was no chairman of the CPEC authority, and also explain as to how it was functioning when the ordinance had lapsed, as a precondition for the clearance of the proposed bill by the panel. Full stop. This is a fair demand for greater transparency in the affairs of the authority. Full stop. It is ironic that an agency that was created to inject momentum into CPEC projects and streamline the initiative policy making process is caught up in a storm because the government did not put in the effort required for the timely passage of legislation. Full stop. That is not all. Full stop. The government's refusal to address questions regarding the financial probity of the authority have also led to transparency concerns. Full stop.